Even if you take a handful of pills every morning for joint pain and regularly take medication to lower your sugar, those problems can still intensify, turning your life into an endless cycle of suffering and dependence on chemicals. The pharmaceutical industry has convinced you that the most important thing for fighting age is expensive, patented chemicals. But that is the biggest lie you've ever heard. The most powerful and ancient weapon your body needs to defeat chronic inflammation and metabolic chaos is not in the pharmacy. It's in a simple root that you are ignoring. It is ginger. And here is the real shocking thing that no doctor on a large corporate payroll will tell you. Ginger is not just a spice for tea. It is a natural analgesic and metabolic master regulator all in one. Without this natural catalyst, your cells remain in a state of silent fire, inflammation that is now proven to be at the root of Alzheimer's, diabetes, and arthritis. That is why in this video, I will reveal 4 incredible but forgotten benefits of ginger, as well as 2 major secrets for activating it for maximum bioavailability. I will tell you how fresh ginger became a sensation in the world of sports medicine. Then I will reveal the absolute best way to use it for sugar control, which most people ignore. And most importantly, I will name 5 catastrophic combinations that you must never make if you want to harness the power of ginger after age 50. The last one is something you likely have in your refrigerator right now. Subscribe right away if you haven't already. Let's begin. Section 1. The 2 secrets of fresh ginger. Number 1. Fresh ginger, your natural ibuprofen. A serving of fresh root contains an impressive amount of gingerols, active compounds that have potent anti-inflammatory effects comparable to some non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, but without the destructive side effects on the stomach. These gingerols penetrate deep into tissues, making them incredibly effective for people suffering from chronic joint and muscle pain. Gingerols actively intervene in the inflammatory cascade, stopping the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines. Ginger is the signal code that forces your body to switch from a constant alarm mode to a rest and recovery mode. Here's what most people don't know. The effectiveness of ginger is not instant, like a pill. It is cumulative. All it requires is consistency. A recent 11-day study conducted on 74 athletes showed such astonishing results that researchers called it the delayed pain relief effect. Those who regularly consumed ginger had 25% less muscle soreness after workouts than the placebo group. A quarter of the pain simply vanished. Number 2. Ginger as a stomach unblocker. Many people over 50 suffer from slow digestion and constant bloating, that feeling of a rock in the stomach. Ginger is the secret of Eastern cultures for this problem. Its compounds significantly accelerate gastric emptying, a process that often slows down with age. Scientific fact, ginger increases the motility of the gastrointestinal tract, acting as a natural prokinetic agent. This means food does not stagnate, causing fermentation and bloating. You literally shed the weight your blocked stomach is carrying. I treated John, a 65-year-old businessman who constantly complained of heartburn. Ironically, he had insufficient acidity, not excess. We added a small amount of pickled ginger to his diet before main meals. His symptoms decreased by 80% in 2 months because ginger helped his stomach work more efficiently. Section 2. The secret of dried ginger. However, if you only use ginger for pain, you may not be getting the maximum benefit. It has a much more powerful effect when it is dried. Number 3. Dried ginger, the master sugar regulator. This is the moment when ginger transforms from a common spice into a pharmaceutical tool. Dried ginger contains a colossal amount of shogaols, gingerol derivatives formed during drying. Their concentration in the dried form is tens of times higher than in the fresh root. These shogaols are the secret weapon against insulin resistance. They stimulate the uptake of glucose by muscle cells, even without insulin involvement. It's as if you have a bypass route for removing sugar from the blood. A breakthrough double-blind placebo-controlled study from Iran observed patients with type 2 diabetes. Those who regularly consumed dried ginger had significantly reduced fasting glucose and HbA1c levels. You are literally reprogramming your metabolism to work better. Number 4. Ginger as a cellular shield. Ginger has one more amazing ability. Its antioxidants actively protect DNA from damage caused by free radicals. This means it doesn't just suppress inflammation, it protects you from mutations that can lead to serious diseases. Furthermore, it is a powerful antiemetic, working better than many pharmacy drugs for nausea, from morning sickness, or even chemotherapy. The activation secret: synergy with black pepper. To get the maximum effect from Shogaols, they need to be activated. You must combine dried ginger with black pepper. Black pepper contains piperine, a substance proven to increase the bioavailability of nutrients several-fold. Piperine is the enhancer that ensures Shogaols are completely absorbed, not just passed through. You create a powerful trio: fresh ginger for pain, dried ginger for sugar, and black pepper for absorption. Without this synergy, you're just throwing money away. For Section 3, 5 catastrophic combinations that neutralize ginger. You can drink ginger tea every day, but it will be a waste of time and can even be dangerous for your health if you combine it with the following 5 things. These are not just bad combinations. They are catastrophes that can cause internal bleeding, high blood pressure, or severe nausea. Number 1. Anticoagulants, blood thinners. You likely know ginger has blood-thinning properties. That's good, but not when you are taking warfarin or other potent anticoagulants. Ginger enhances the effect of these drugs, which can lead to a double anticoagulant effect. The risk: uncontrolled internal bleeding. You are essentially making your medication toxic. I will never forget a 70-year-old patient who started drinking a ginger shot daily to cleanse his blood. His INR, International Normalized Ratio, a measure of blood clotting, skyrocketed to a dangerous level. Only stopping the ginger intake saved him from hospitalization. Number 2. High doses of turmeric or cayenne pepper. Many people confuse them or drink them as an anti-inflammatory elixir. But this habit can be disastrous for digestion. Both turmeric and ginger are very powerful stimulators of bile production. When you consume them together in large doses, you overload your gallbladder and can cause severe intestinal irritation, nausea, and diarrhea. It's like throwing 2 sticks of dynamite into one stomach. Number 3. Foods high in salicylates, natural aspirin. This includes almonds, apricots, and berries. As we mentioned, ginger acts as a natural analgesic. Salicylates do the same. Combining ginger with large amounts of these foods enhances the blood-thinning effect, and worse, can lead to stomach irritation if you are prone to ulcers. You create a risk of chemical burn on the mucous lining. Number 4. High blood pressure medications, antihypertensives. Ginger is believed to lower blood pressure. This is great, unless you are taking medication that already does this. Ginger enhances the hypotensive effect, which can lead to a sudden drop in blood pressure, hypotension, dizziness, and in the worst case, fainting. You are literally draining the power from your brain. Number 5. Grapefruit juice and certain statins. Here is the most insidious combination. Grapefruit is known to block certain enzymes in the liver that metabolize drugs, including some statins for cholesterol. While ginger is not a direct blocker, it significantly speeds up or slows down the metabolism of other medications, disrupting the delicate balance set by the grapefruit and the drugs. This is a game of Russian roulette with your liver. Now that you know the 4 benefits and the 5 catastrophic combinations, I have a question for you. Which of these natural detox remedies or combinations will you now eliminate from your diet? Write in the comments. Your story might save someone's life. If you are serious about completely renewing your body, I have created the 14-day Ginger Regeneration Plan, a detailed schedule of ideal combinations and dosages. You will find the link in the description. But there is something that surpasses all this knowledge. Tomorrow, I will reveal a secret about a forgotten protein produced in your gut that has been clinically proven to reduce chronic inflammation 8 times more effectively than ginger or turmeric. It is not a probiotic. It is not a vitamin. It is a sensation that will make you rethink everything you know about immunity. I can only share this information with my subscribers first. So, if you haven't subscribed yet, do it now. Believe me, this protein is the key to your longevity. See you soon.